trailer and give our real opinion on this. So let's begin.
This faceless YouTube channel is less than a year old, has over 500,000 subscribers, and is getting over 44 million views every month by simply uploading videos with stock footage and an AI voiceover. What if I told you there is now a free AI tool that allows you to make the same viral YouTube shorts by simply describing what you want the short to be about?
You're full of shit.
Well, it's true. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make viral YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks in seconds with the power of AI. The tool we are going to use is Fleeky, and they have a new feature called Idea to Video. With this feature, you simply describe in one sentence what your short needs to be about, and Fleeky's AI will write the script, choose the footage, create a voiceover, add subtitles to the video, and even select suitable background music, all within seconds. So what kind of videos could we make with this tool? Well, I stumbled upon this YouTube channel called Nature Lens. They specialize in creating informative videos about animals. Their two most popular videos have both over 9 million views. According to Social Blade, this channel is less than a year old and already has over 500,000 subscribers. They receive over 44 million views every month, so it's safe to say this channel is making thousands of dollars. Let's take a look at one of their videos.
It's pretty unexpected that one of the most intelligent animals in the world has been labeled as evil and bad omen. Meet crow, or corvids in general.
These videos consist of stock footage, an AI voiceover, subtitles, and background music, which makes them perfect for our tool. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to go, of course, to Fleeky. I have put the link to Fleeky in the description of this video. So if you would like to test this method out, simply use this link and get started. When you have created an account, you will enter this screen. Here, you want to go to Files and select New File. For this video, I'm going to make a video about crows as an example, similar to the video I showed you earlier. Give your file a name and click on Create. Here is where the magic happens. On the left, you have your scenes where you can manually add a voiceover, a script, and choose footage. However, we don't want to do it manually, of course. So let's delete this. Now what you want to do is to go to Convert in the top right corner. And we are going to use the Idea to Video feature. So here you can insert the topic you want your video to be about. It can be as simple as amazing facts about crows. Now you can choose the length of the video and the style the video will be in. So this is more of an informational video because you are trying to educate people. However, because it is a YouTube short, you want to make it highly engaging. If you choose informational, it will be slow-paced and a little bit boring for a short. And you want to have a high retention rate, otherwise YouTube will not push the video. So I found that you get a good balance between educational and engaging by setting the style to explainer. Alright, when you have everything filled in, you can select Submit. And within a few seconds, Fleeky has made an amazing short, and you are done. So thank you for watching this video. No, I'm kidding. As you can see, Fleeky's AI has made 7 scenes, all with their own text, footage, and voiceover. What we now want to do is go to Settings, set the aspect ratio to Portrait, and hit Save. So, I don't really like the subtitle settings Fleeky has chosen, so I will manually change that as well. Select the text on the left, and as you can see on the right, the subtitle menu appears. I'm going to place the subtitles in the middle and change the font to Oswald. I'm changing the size to large and set the display to Word. This way, the subtitles will be shown word by word and not in entire sentences. Lastly, I'm going to change the color to a bright yellow so it stands out more. And I'm going to leave the background color black, but I will set the opacity to 70%. This will give the black background color of the text a slightly see-through effect, which looks very nice. Lastly, you want to select Apply to similar layers, so the changes you made to the subtitles will be applied to the entire video. Alright, now let's have a look. And keep in mind, I haven't changed anything except the aspect ratio and the subtitle settings.
Amazing facts about crows. Meet the crow, one of nature's most intelligent creatures. With brains rivaling that of a 7-year-old human, these birds are truly remarkable. Crows have a complex language, with unique calls to alert their flock about incoming dangers or food sources. Incredibly, they use tools like twigs or wires to fetch food from hard-to-reach places, showcasing their problem-solving skills.
Alright, you get the point. In my opinion, this is already extremely impressive. However, the most important factor that makes your short go viral is the retention rate. This shows how much, on average, people have watched the video. I have a special trick for you on how you can boost your retention rate within Fleeky. But before I show you this, I would like to say something. If you are watching this video, and my channel in general, you are probably thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, or you already have one. I grew this channel from 2 to 26,000 subscribers in 1 month, and I have a few other successful channels. Because of that, I get a crazy amount of comments and emails from people asking me questions regarding how I did this. I simply can't answer all the questions I get, but I would like to do something for my loyal viewers. So everyone that likes this video and subscribes to my channel can ask any question they want in the comments section of this video. And for the first 24 hours that this video is live, I'm going to answer every single question I get, regardless of the topic. Maybe you would like to know what strategy I use? How I come up with viral topics? Or if me and my ex will ever get back together? So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ask away. Alright, moving on. So for shorts, you always want to aim for 100% retention or more. Maybe you are asking yourself, how can you have more than 100% retention? Well, if everybody would watch your short twice, you would have a 200% retention rate. So to keep the retention high, you want to make the short highly engaging. First, what I would do, definitely in the first part, is switch up the footage a lot more. You can do this by adding a scene and copying the text you want to have in this separate scene. Then you can manually add footage to this scene by selecting the image icon. Search for something you think that matches the scene and select it. Now for the special trick to boost the retention. What you're going to do is select a scene. Here, you can now select Add Layer. Then you're going to select Picture in Picture. As you can see in the top right corner, a gray block has now appeared. You can fill this block with an extra video, a photo, or a GIF. Fleeky has collaborated with Giphy, one of the largest databases of GIFs. GIFs are mostly funny short looping clips, and therefore they are a great way to boost the retention for shorts. So this scene talks about how intelligent crows are. So let's search for the keyword intelligent. Now I'm going to place the GIF in the bottom center of the video, and I will set the size to large. I'm going to do this also for the rest of the video. So I will create more scenes so the video has more footage, and I'm going to put a few GIFs in there. Now, for the last step, I'm going to change the voiceover. So, I have a premium account for Fleeky. This way, you have access to the premium voices that sound extremely impressive. If you are using the free account, you won't be able to use all the voices, and you have a limited selection of footage you can use. However, it's definitely enough for you to make a few great videos. Fleeky has one of the most impressive selections of AI voices. They have voices in more than 75 languages, and with a lot of different dialects. So I would like to get the real
David Attenborough experience.
So I'm going to choose a voice from the United Kingdom. When you have found one you like, you are going to click on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and hit Select. And now the video is done. Alright, let's have a look at the final result.
Amazing facts about crows. Meet the crow, one of nature's most intelligent creatures. With brains rivaling that of a 7-year-old human, these birds are truly remarkable. Crows have a complex language, with unique calls to alert their flock about incoming dangers or food sources. Incredibly, they use tools like twigs or wires to fetch food from hard-to-reach places, showcasing their problem-solving skills. Did you know crows hold funerals? They gather around their dead as a way to learn about threats and avoid them in the future. Lastly, they're known to recognize human faces. So, befriend a crow, and it'll remember you for years.
So if you would like to easily make viral YouTube shorts, I would suggest you check out the link in the description.